In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form from scratch in Kit. We'll start right inside your Kit account. From the main navigation, head over to the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your opt-in forms and landing pages live. Once you're there, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New, and then choose Form. Kit will ask what type of form you want to build. For a fully custom form that you can drop into an existing page or layout, choose the inline option. Inline forms are ideal when you already have a page designed and just need the form itself to plug into it. Next, you'll be prompted to pick a template. Choose the one called Mills. This is essentially a blank slate template with very minimal styling, which makes it perfect when you want full control over the look and feel. You'll add your own structure and design on top of it, instead of fighting with a heavily pre-designed template. Once your form canvas is open, you'll build out the structure. By default, you'll see an email field. To add more fields, click the plus icon just below that email field. This opens up your field options. From here, you can add custom fields such as first name, last name, or any other information you want to collect. Think about what you truly need from your subscribers so you keep the form simple and easy to complete. After adding your fields, customize the labels. Click directly on any text or placeholder inside the form and start typing your own wording. For example, you might change a generic name label into first name to be more specific, or adjust the email placeholder to something like enter your best email. Clear labels make it obvious what people should type and can improve your conversion rate. If the fields aren't in the order you want, you can rearrange them. Hover over a field until you see the 6-dot icon next to it. Click and drag that icon to move the field up or down until the layout feels logical, like first name, last name, then email. When the form structure looks good, it's time to finalize and embed it. Click on Settings to configure your incentive email. This is the confirmation or delivery email that goes out after someone submits the form, often used to deliver a lead magnet or simple thank you message. Review the subject line, sender details, and content so it matches your offer and brand tone. Once your settings are in place, click Save and then Publish. After publishing, Kit will give you code options. You can copy either the JavaScript snippet or the HTML code, depending on how your website is set up. Paste that code into the appropriate spot on your site, update your page, and your new custom Kit form will be live and ready to collect subscribers.